So we're here in the Ruidoso Downs, moving a refrigerator. You're doing great, Riley. You guys just got to get it on the refrigerator. We took apart all the entire refrigerator, got the washer and dryer, stove, and then now we're going up to Alto storage to have it in there until further notice. Or two, and I don't know a thing or two. If you know what I'm saying. You're getting stuck on all the little rivets. Yeah, just lift it back. Push it, Evan. Just making sure. All right. Yep, tilt it.
The Roman Catholic Church considers the site sacred, and many believe it has healing properties. Some start with Santa Fe, others travel through spot as the metro. But everyone has their reason, whether it is seeking healing, giving thanks.
We're here at AA Storage, doing a moving job with Evan here, doing a great job with the boxes. But I used to rent over here. I definitely recommend renting from AA Storage. It's centrally located if you're ever in the area of Ruidoso. But yeah, just finishing up this storage. Go, 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 go! You should have put it all the way down.
Yeah.
What is going on here? Do you need help? These sweatpants are killing me over here.
They're killing me too.
The style. Sweatpants, are they professional? What do you think?
The guys are very dependable. They come in time. They do a great job. Friendly. And like I said, they go beyond other movers. So I thank them immensely for doing what they do. And they do a great job. Thank you, Fred.
So what kind of move do we have going on today? What's going on?
Well, we're going on furniture, doing predominantly furniture and boxes. Some I'm leaving because I need to leave them. But other than that, it's just beds and recliners and boxes and end tables.
Yep.
And that kind of thing. So.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, let me do a little intro on the truck. Here we go. We're loaded up. Got the storage out. Riley, close it down.
The brake would have been nice.
Well, we don't have that one just quite yet.
Go for it.
Yep. So this is classic Ruidoso. What happens? You got a beautiful box truck, and then you've got a driveway that you can't get a 26, 20, or anything up. So you gotta take stuff up the driveway. And here we go. Our cardio every single day. Thank you for watching, and please don't subscribe. Just visit our website, mountainmanservices.com. Long road of walking up with being a moving company here in the mountains. Ruidoso, Cloudcroft, it's all crazy. There's tons of stuff to do, tons of stuff going on. And this is going to be our cardio for the week. How's that walk, Riley?
Best walk I've had all day.
Oh gosh, up and down. All day. Now, why did we have to? Why are we having to walk all the way up?
It's too steep for the box truck to get up.
It's terrible. Happens. It happens here. The Mountain Man Mover gets ready for the long trek up the steep hill. He's getting ready. It's going to be hard. It's going to be difficult. But this is one of many trips that he's taken today up this hill. This hill is hard. This hill is difficult. But it's building in him the character that makes him the Mountain Man Mover that he's destined to be, that he's got to be. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't do that.
He's taking it up the hill. There's so many loads, so many boxes, so much of everything. But he's taking it up and doing it the right way for the customer, for the mountains.
What I like about being out here in the mountains is it's, different obstacles, better things to learn. Smells are great. Wind's a little different, a little crazy wind out here, but for the most part, nice, beautiful out here. Love it.
What do you like about working with Mountain Man Moving? How do you like moving in the mountains?
Moving in the mountains, a little harder to breathe, but for the most part, it's same old work. Getting it done. Sure.
Are you on the edge? You're not both coming over. Push, okay. I have to. I can't fit. It's too long. Yep. Great. For you, it is.
It's a little pity.
What's up, Zoya?
Hey, yo, how does it feel to be done? Almost done.
Great.
We got the box truck all empty. Yo, this was a lot of work. A lot more work than we were thinking.
Yeah.
This should have only taken 30 minutes. What did it take? An hour and a half or something? Yeah, crazy. All right.
Hour and a half uphill.
Yep, dang.